put it in neutral.
Oh, that's gay. Taking all the back roads. Oh, you probably could stop first.
Just throw it in neutral. You could just keep rolling in neutral. Hard. Forward road don't work.
Hey, I fixed it.
Bobby.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, that's not horrible.
What was that?
What was that?
Carrier bearing?
Maybe. Maybe it wasn't locked in all the way.
It funked in the woods.
You can definitely tell it's locked in from the top. Feels weird. Oh, well, you go second. Just can't do it in drive.
Click and drive.
Ha! What?
This came off.
What the fuck? Yeah, feels different again.
Vehicle tow mode. Is that VTM?
Again! Maybe it gets off at like a certain speed.
Where's the funk? Watch out.
Tire rubbing? Maybe?
Actually kind of cute. Oh!
How much is it? Sounds weird deal with her normal.
Got issues.
Hey, there's a truck that looks like mine. It's a cammed one.
Yeah.